Good morning, ma'am. My name is Akshay. My presentation topic is transformation of two random variables. Transformation of two random variables. Let random variable u and v be transformed to the random variable x and y by the transformation. U equals to u into my xy and v equals to v xy, where u and v are continuously differentiable function for which Jacobian of transformation. Jacobian equals to curly of xy divided by curly x uv equals to elaborate Jacobian differentiation of x with respect to u, partially differentiable y with respect to u, or partially differentiable x with respect to v. Partial differentiation of x with respect to v is either greater than 0 or less than 0 throughout the plane xy, so that the inverse transformation is uniquely given by x equal to x uy uv, y equals to y uv. Theorem: the joint probability density function of g uv into my uv of transformed variable u and v is g uv equal into my uv equals to fxy into my xy into my modulus of Jacobian. Modulus of Jacobian is the modulus value of Jacobian transformation, and fxy into my xy is expressed in terms of u and v, where x and y is random variable and into my small xy is the value taken by random variable. Proof: probability of x greater than x less than x plus dx, y greater than y small y less than y plus dy equals to probability of value of u greater than small u less than u plus du, value of v greater than small v less than v plus dv, implies that f of xy into xy dx dy equals to g uv into uv du dv, where uv called random variable and into value taken by random variable, implies that g uv into uv du dv equals to f of xy into xy difference is partially differentiation of xy divided by partially uv into differentiation of u into dv, implies that g uv into uv equals to f of xy into xy partial differentiation of xy divided by differentiation with respect to uv equals to fxy into xy into modulus of Jacobian, as proved. Next theorem: if x and y are independent continuous random variable, then the probability density function of u equals to x plus y is given by hu equals to integration minus infinity to infinity fx v into fy u minus y dv. Proof: let fxy into xy be the joint probability density function of independent continuous random variable x and y, and let us make the transformation u equals to x plus y, v equals to x, implies that x equal to v and y is equal to u minus v. Jacobian equals to curly xy upon curly uv equals to partial derivative of x with respect to u, partial differentiation with respect to y with respect to v, partially differentiation with respect to x with respect to v, partial differentiation of x with respect to v equals to matrix of 1 0 1 0 minus 1 equals to minus 1. Thus, the joint probability density function of random variable u and v is given by GUV into my UV equals to fxy into my xy into the modulus of Jacobian equals to f of x into x, f of y modulus of Jacobian, since x and y are independent, equal to f of x into v, f of y into u minus v. The marginal density function of u is given by HU equals to integration of minus infinity to infinity GUV into UV dV equals to integration of minus infinity to infinity fxv into fy u minus y dv. Hence proved. Thank you, man.